no idea what she said. So, welcome back to another video, guys. Apologies if the wind noise is sort of buffeting you. I'll sort my mirror out. The mirrors are like too wide for my gate. I've got to take the fence off at the beginning. I'll show you it now. Yeah, that fence needs to go. So yeah, we went out for a nice blip on the road today. Oh, it was great. A jumper. It looked neatly placed, which was a weird thing. That was the weird bit of it. It was weirdly placed. I say weirdly placed, it's strategically placed. Maybe they want it there. Ah, that is much better. Alright, big shout out to the Welsh biker for sorting out my clutch. Yeah, so yeah, the finger. I'll make it up to you somehow. Don't you know it? I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'll make it up to you somehow. We'll figure something out. We shall figure something out. Okay. Maybe that's not a good idea to run like that. It looks like you're running away from something. Oh my god. I just wiped a tear from my helmet. It was that funny. A literal tear from my helmet. Oh wow, okay. Either you're on your phone or you just waited. Yeah, I think she was on her phone. Because she wasn't indicating or nothing. Oh, hang on. What are you doing, mate? Man, my mirrors are fucking annoying me. There's so much view to them, but I like them specific. My nose is itchy. Don't do it. Don't think so, mask man. I need to reset the time on this machine. I haven't ridden in fucking ages. Jesus Christ, they need to sort that light out. It looks like an amber fucking light. Nope, is that the sun? The sun. What have they got? Anti-reflective windows. Oh, that's it. That is a head spinner! I'm going to see how much this baby takes. According to the electronic system, it says I've got 2 bars left, which I'm not sure how accurate that is, but we'll see. We will see. Fuck me, it's busy. Waiting for petrol. Do. Oh, it's got fucking mask and everything now, innit? Fucking marvellous. How long is it gonna take? How long is it gonna take? How long? How long is it gonna take? Oh, drop the face mask. Oh dear. It's the end of the world as we know it. Where are you going? I'm baking my titties off. Sorry, there hasn't really been much to, discuss or go through really at the moment. It's just one of those things where it's just been busy, and then obviously going back to work now, and but what my intentions are going to be is that I am going to sort of work my way in, and we're going to look at obviously trying to do a bit more stuff, try and get a bit more content in for you lovely people. This fuel tank is like 15 litres, I think. It's like the largest I've ever had, ever. So it's quite a lot of fuel in it. Oh man, you know what I can't look forward to? My curry. I've got a nice curry in my bag. It's from the Iceland. Fair play. Some people on bikes are quite snobby. It's up to them if they nod or not. It's a little rude though. Fucking hell, you belting it back. So yeah, today that's another video over with. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. There is a lot of content coming your way, obviously. I've just got to wait for my purple panda mic to show up, because I've had a lot of grief with the adapter and whatnot. So once the purple panda arrives, if you want to comment, comment down below also. I appreciate any feedback provided. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.